Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. This is a pretty cool video. I think I found a pretty good deal, and I'm going to show you guys why. So, I found out that about 10 miles from the base is a Free Geeks, and it's a computer store that is pretty, I guess, common up here. I don't know. I've heard a lot about it. There's a lot of YouTube videos about people finding good stuff there for really cheap. And anyway, so I decided to go check it out, and it had a lot of older tech, but a lot of pretty decent stuff. And, as I was looking through the computers, I saw one that really caught my eye. And, I was like, that looks like an old gaming computer. And so I got to look at it, and it is. So I ended up being able to get it. I actually got it for extremely cheap. I got it for $95. And I won't tell you what the specs are just yet, because we will be going into that. But let's just, let's go ahead and get into it. So I'll be right back. I'm going to get this set up, and we'll see about taking this computer apart. Alright guys, so this is the computer right here. It's an Antec P182 case. As you guys can see, it's a little bit dated. It still has a lock. It's got pretty much the standard connectors here. Although it has I want to say that's a firewire cable, but I don't remember. I don't remember all my old cables and all that stuff. So it's something that is outdated. Anyway, so that's the front I/O. The inside here houses two drive bays and a little bit of block some of the light out. So it's got two drive bays here, and these are actually removable. So you can actually pull them out and replace them as needed. I believe these little tabs actually come off, and you can put them onto a new drive if you want. Power button and restart switch right there. Some more bays down here. So you just pull these little things out right here on each side, and you can put, I don't know, like maybe a floppy disk something or something like that. I don't know. Whatever this is. Anyway, it's magnetically closed, so you got two magnets there and there. So that's pretty cool. It's this is actually a really nice case. I really liked this. In fact, this case still has the little plastic on it. So if you come on the back side, you'll see that we have most of our standard connectors, but this motherboard is actually missing it's missing any kind of video out. So this board has no video out whatsoever. You got, looks like 8 USB 2.0s and 2 USB 3.0, so that's pretty nice. The graphics card, you can already tell, is kind of dated. It's got 2 DVI ports and a single HDMI mini. So it's not even a full HDMI port. So you guys might be wondering what is in this computer. Well, let's take a look. So I'm going to turn it around here, and we're going to open her up. Alright, so basically what we have here is a hot mess. We got cables everywhere. It's dirty. It's got a lot of dust, especially like down here. A lot of dust. So we're definitely going to have to do a nice cleaning and give it a little bit of love, because this thing has not been turned on for a while. In fact, this is actually a lot cleaner than it was. It was actually way worse than this, but there's dust everywhere. I don't know if you can see that, but there's dust all over the place. So we're going to give this thing a good cleaning, and we'll just give it some loving that it hasn't had in a while. So anyway, down to specs. So we got ourselves 8 gigs of DDR3 rip-jaw memory, which is pretty cool. We have an i5 2500K. Underneath this here, Hyper 212 Evo. We've got an Antec 850 watt power supply. This is a true power, so it is actually rated for 80 plus bronze, even though it does not have the stamp on it. It is a modular power supply, so that's pretty cool. And I think that's about it. The motherboard. So the motherboard is a P67. Can kind of see it there. UD4B3. So P67A. Okay, so it's got the alpha in there. This is a 1155 socket, which is part of which actually, when I first saw this computer, actually narrowed things down for me, because I have pretty good familiarity with the 1155 socket CPUs, as I have bought nothing but 1155 sockets on this channel. So it narrowed things down for me. So honestly, this is actually the first time I've ever had a processor that's unlocked. So am gonna try to dabble with a little bit of overclocking. Got a couple guys in the ship here who said they could show me the ropes, and so we might be doing some of that later. So let's get busy on the cleaning. Alright, so before we actually get on to the cleaning, I just wanted to show you guys my new screwdriver. This is a screwdriver bit, a Phillips head bit from a drill, taped to a knob. That's all I could find in the entire ship. Nobody has a screwdriver on base, apparently. So yeah, we're going to do this hillbilly style, redneck style, any other style you want to say. So let's have some fun. truth. Here we go. I guess it would help if I actually flip the switch on the back. Okay. Alright. Take 2. Oh, we got power. Come on now. Oh, you gonna post? No, we got it. Okay, so it posts. It posts. Oh, thank you. Okay, so now the next step is to get Windows 10 on here and onto the terabyte hard drive, and that's